Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Once again we thank you all for joining our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, also subscribing to our indicator. So now I have been using two accounts. One is the premium account that you can see here. This account is the premium account where we can run bar replay, coding, all the options. And another one is free account. So here I am using for the demo purpose. So here I will get advertisement. So by seeing this demo account, so YouTubers may comment that see all the indicator sellers or all the advisories, all the traders who are releasing videos on YouTube, they are using free account. So it is not so. It is only for the demo purpose, because when you open the trading account, it will not appear like what is appearing for the premium users. So that is why I prefer using this kind of accounts also, so that you will get better understanding. So now once again I will explain you how to add the indicator from the indicator zone. So go to the indicators option here, click on it, and straight away go to invite only scripts. So you will see my scripts, technicals, financials, community scripts, invite only and all. So straight away go to invite only scripts. There you have added the iCore 2.0 advanced trading setup. That's all. So now how to do the trading? It is very simple. The first method is the naked method. The first method is the naked method, that whenever market is coming to, market will open somewhere here, it will come either to upside or it will come to downside. This is what will happen in the market. And sometime it will be in the range. Anyway, within the day it has to break either the upper side or the lower side. If it is coming towards the upper side, we have to buy put option if it is option trading. If it is coming down towards the buy zone, we have to buy the call option, in the money call option. Don't forget, in the money call option, minimum 200 points in the money, so that the movement will match with the spot value. Suppose market would have reached the target, but if you have taken out of the money or at the money, the movement will not be there because of the delta value. Okay, if you are taking at the money, the movement will be 0.5%. Suppose if there are 100 points movements in the spot, so here in the ATM only 50 points will be moved. If it is ITM, that is deep ITM, like 200 points, 300 points, so the movements will be almost 0.8 to 0.9, which means if 100 points are moving in the spot, in the ITM it will be moved around 80 to 90 points, almost equivalent to the spot prices. So that is why we prefer taking the in the money trading. Okay, hope it is clear. So now I have taught you many another technique when to avoid the trade, because in the market almost 70 to 80% there will be sideways. So in sideways our indicator will work perfectly. Okay, it will come to the upper side, then it will hit the our zone, then it will give the target. That is the one method. And another thing, in a trending market, so market first it will hit the SL, or it will give the first target, then it will hit the SL, then it will be second buy will be activated and targets will be given. That is one scenario. And another scenario, it first buy will be activated and first target will be hit. After that SL will be hit and second sell will be activated and target will be hit. So this is the second scenario. And the third scenario, both the side also SL will be hit. But don't forget, we never tell you that this is the 100% holy grain, because there is no strategy or the indicator in the market available which gives you always profit. Okay, someday it will give loss, someday it will give profit, but the profit is more than the loss. That you should not forget. But instead of taking the entry without analyzing anything, what you can do, let the market goes to our sell zone, don't take the entry immediately, wait for any price action based bearish pattern which I taught you, R3C bearish. Clear? When the market is coming down to buy zone, don't take the entry immediately. Let the market form any R3C based bullish pattern, then you can go for the buy entry. By this way, you can avoid the wrong entries. You can be in always profit. Okay, you can have the profitable trade always. So do not forget this. So now let us consider the first scenario. Suppose yesterday you have taken blind entry without doing any analysis. What would have happened? What would have happened? So I prefer keeping tiny to SL because I don't want to give more money to the market. So I will be giving less loss and more profit. So here what happened yesterday? Yesterday sell almost neared. Okay, we near the sell point almost neared. The high mid was 779 and our sell entry is 801. So only 2 points missed. But what we are telling? So 300 points you can take extra risk. 300 points means 20 points. 20 points we can take risk for one lot. So if we consider this, only 2 points has been missed for the exact entry. So we can say this is the sell entry yesterday. Even if you don't consider this a sell entry, your buy would have been activated and SL hit. Okay. And second entry, all the targets hit. So there is no loss. Hope it is clear. Any doubts in this? So sell activated with buffer point, targets, all the targets hit. If you have not considered just 2 points as a buffer value, just for 30 rupees, you are not taking extra risk, which means buy got activated, SL hit. And second sell activated, all the targets hit, our SL is safe. Hope it is clear. Let me show you another one, that is Nifty. So in Nifty what happened? See, perfectly it has reached our sell zone. What is the high? 19452 and our sell entry was 19457. Only 4.70 paisa we have missed. Okay. Here also we are telling we can have 300 rupees extra risk. 300 to 500 rupees also you can keep extra risk for our sell zone. So here also we can consider we got the sell entry got activated and all the targets have been hit. Okay. If not, buy activated and reversal entry almost nearing the target, market got over. But if you see, the buy is not valid buy here. Why? I have taught you the giant candle concepts. Don't go for buy entry when you see such a candle continuously. Even one candle is coming and touching your buy zone, we should not take the entry. Okay. So the first scenario we have got the profit. Second scenario we have avoided the entry, and third scenario not happened. Hope it is clear. What is the other doubts? So if you want to see other scripts also, that I can show you, and before that let me explain you the update what we have given. What are the updates we are giving in the new indicator? There is a latest version with a simplified concept. So now what and all we have? So initially if you see, just if you enable this first buy second sell, the bottom zone will be enabled. If you click on this, top zone will be enabled. So this is the midpoint. The MGR level we have given is the MGR level. So the Western people, they are calling it as CPR. So we are calling it as MGR. But this MGR is entirely different from that CPR. Okay. First option we have enabled here is bullish breakout and bearish breakout. What is this bullish breakout and bearish breakout? So in the market, if you want the option price to move tremendously on par with spot value, then there should be some momentum. So this indicator, this zone will tell you from where the market will get momentum. Whenever this bearish zone is broken, see it is perfectly broken, candle has closed below there and low of that candle is broken. So now 50% of the retracement it will give, perfectly it has given. So now we have taken 19,400 put option and we have got the very good profit. For the thing is, you have to have patience, you have to wait. Clear? So this is one method. That is why we have added the bullish bearish pattern. And what is the next step? And the same bullish and bearish pattern you can use with weekly pattern, monthly pattern and 3-month patterns also, so that you can decide the market where it will go. See here, in weekly pattern, market was in a trending only. Till yesterday market was in a buy zone. Now it has broken our resistance. Now there are high possibility that market will come to this area around 19,200. If this high is not broken, it will come here. When any candle is coming and touching again to our bullish level and candle is closing above that level and a high of that level is broken, then bullish level again will be started. This we are talking about technically, not fundamental things. We are not following any news and all. Just we are looking at the candlestick pattern and we are trading. So this is with a weekly pattern. So if you are analyzing for a month, you can go here. You can select the monthly time frame and you can see what has happened in the market. See, market has closed below this zone and we have got very good profit. 2 times it has reversed it, and 3rd time we could not reach that level itself and it has fallen. So how much profit you have got? From 19,600 to 19,200, 440 points you have got the profit. So from here it has broken, very good profit you have got. So whenever such a things happens, what you can do, this side, okay, you sell the call option, and buy far away put option, call option. You sell the put option and far away call option, so that if the market is going back, and you will get premium benefit also you will get the insurance. Hope it is clear. And we have given extra 3 months, 6 months, 12 months also we have given. So for long trading you can analyze this part. So see here, in bullish pattern, 19,000 was the buy entry. When it is happened? June month it has happened. In a year pattern, at 19,000 it has taken the support. So for year and all, if you are keeping, you have to keep day time frame, so that we will get the chart to get loaded. So you will get more profit. Even then, do not forget to keep the stop loss. So here what happened? Sell has broken from here to here. It has taken the support from the previous zone, right? So the low was 16,847. So here also we have got 200 plus 200, 400 points profit after breaking the zone, right? Then it has closed above the zone. Then it has shooted. And from here it has reached our zone, and next day it has opened above the zone and we are in a profit. If market is coming down, it will touch here at 19,051. Okay, this is our next zone. This is our next zone as per yearly pattern. So all this pre-analysis and all you can do yourself. And what is the next one? If you want to analyze for 6 months, this you have to practice and you have to be ready. Clear? What is the next things we have given? This 125. This is for intraday. You can keep it. There is a secret behind this 125. Okay, in NSE market. See the thing. Yesterday any candle has closed above this zone? No. None of the candle could not sustain. Even if it is closed, the low is not broken. So always it is preferable to trade at the second or third as per this 125. See here, low broken, see the fall. Even if you have taken here trades loss, if you have got loss, here also have got loss, all those loss will be covered here in the third one. Keep revising the stop loss and get more profit. Don't forget to trade in the money option. Okay. Next things, first buy, first is second sell, first buy. This concept, okay, the fourth zone will be formed. Again, using this, what you can do here also, you can follow the long term analysis like weekly pattern and monthly pattern. Weekly pattern and monthly pattern you can analyze. Consider these zones are the support and resistance or the zone. When the market is coming down, let the market goes down, then you decide what to do. Don't jump into the market immediately, because one day if you lose, next day you will be struggling to take the entry. You will not be comfortable, right, to take the trade. So that's why I'm telling, one day if you lose money, next day you cannot take the trade. So better not to jump into the trade immediately. Wait for some confirmation that we have taught you. And another level, this bottom and top MGR level. What is this bottom and top MGR level? It looks like SCPR. It looks like SCPR. So when we have a breakout, when you have a perfect breakout or R3C pattern above the CPR level, you can go for buy. Below the CPR level, you can go for sell. In between, there will be some sideways market. So here also you can follow day time frame, weekly time frame, 360 for the analyzing purpose. For analyzing purpose, you can use it. And the next one, what is the other options we have? So this is top midpoint and bottom midpoint, because what it is, it will show you again from where the market it will reverse or till where it will reach. If market is coming with the giant candle, from where it will reverse, all those points it will tell you. See here, I will show you clearly. See this line, the top midpoint and bottom midpoint, it is a midpoint between this zone and this zone. And what is the next thing you have given? Calculation for Nifty and Bank Nifty and all, you can keep one tiny TSL for small loss. And this is top bottom R3C and R3C points. See what these points will do, it will predict from where the market will be reversed. So yesterday we got sell entry, we missed the sell entry just by 4 points. But see here, R3C pattern, it has shown us that market will reverse from here itself. So exactly it has made that high 19,452.80. From there it has fallen. And here it is supposed to take the reversal, but it could not take the reverse due to the market condition. Anyway, it has tried for some time. See here, exactly it has taken support here and it has given some upside movement. Some 10 points it has moved. 20 points it has moved. But previous trend is a very good buy sell trend. So what we have to do, we have to wait for some selling confirmation. That is bearish R3C. So how many opportunities we are getting? Naked pattern, confirmation pattern, inside the zone pattern, that is a kabaddi game. I have taught you about the kabaddi game. Do not forget that. It will help you always. And next one, this is very good, very important. What it is? Session breakout. So many people trade based on 9:15 to 9:30. When the high is broken, they will go for a buy. When the low is broken, they can go for the sell. So here I can give you some extra tips. What is that extra tip? So I can keep in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes breakout, there is some profit and loss. Every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes. Okay. This is the first 15 minutes. High broken, we got some profit. Right? We got some profit. Then what is the next? 11 o'clock, 11:15 is the next area. So 11:30. Okay. So here if you see this high and low broken, we have got very good profit. You have to keep revising stop loss whenever the next low is broken. So now this low is broken, you have to keep the revise to this high. This low is broken, 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 this high. So likewise you have to keep revising the previous swing high. We call it as previous swing high. So for that our trading view have also given another candle that is called high low candle. So they will consider only the high and low. They will consider only the high and low. They will not consider the wick and all. Only candle high and low will be entirely it will be considered. So that you can practice, but everything is not possible at once to do. So now this breakout session, you can use 9:15 to 9:20 also for stock trading. So keep 9:15 9:20, go to the NSE market, select top gainers stocks, and whenever the 5 minutes breakout is happening with the good volume, go for the buy entry, take some 100 shares and book some 1 or 2 points, you will get very good profit. So like that you can trade. And another one, crude oil and all, you can use 6:30, 6 o'clock breakout, 8 o'clock breakout. So all this, whenever the new market is opening in the world, around the world, new session is opening, so that breakout will work out. And this is, we are using initial formation, we are using two algorithms. One is ML is the default one, and DL is the another one. So DL will be a further level, it will be calculated, and ML will be immediate zone will be formed. So it is asking you for how many days you want to track, back tracing, right? If you want for 500 days also you can give. If you want only for 5 days, that also you can give. So 5 days means if you see beyond 5 days, you will not be able to see these lines. So that is the thing. So only for 5 days these lines will be available. So here up to here only it is available. Previous days it will not take for the calculation. So that's why I have given the 50 days. If you want, you can give maximum of 500 also. Then what is the next thing you have given in the indicator? Yes, this one, rejection candle, confirmation candle, and GC candle. So if you are not comfortable by using this, you can use just by looking at the candle. Where is the rejection? Where is the confirmation? And all you can see yourself. Okay. What else? Yesterday's we have given update. You know about our ever rocking strategy, that is MST 10 zone. It is used for positional as well as the scalping trading also. So whenever market is crossing this zone, it is in sell, clear. Whenever it is above the zone, it will be in a buy trend. So this you can use intraday and positional trading, but everything based on one confirmation, R3C confirmation or any bullish pattern confirmation. And we have given only one VWAP or moving average because there was no space to add more moving averages. So by default VWAP will be enabled. If you want to change to symbol moving average or EMA something else, that you can add. So I saw on 0 lakh moving average, so that also I have added. But all these are freely available, so only for better clarity I have added you added to this indicator, because you don't have to add one more indicator from the trading view, because they will give only 3 indicators. But if you see in my screen, I will be using only one indicator, no other indicators. And this is another important features we have given, enable summary table. What is this enable summary table? That you don't have to see PDH and PDL. I could not make any lines here because of the shortage. Already I have used more than 70 plot shape. I mean lines, only 60 to 70 only allowed. So I have used the maximum one. So here PDH, though it is not there, I have added here. You can see what is the PDH value. That is previous day high. PDL previous day low. PDC 19,000, previous day closed 19,343. And bullish point, that is a breakout point, I told you in the first day itself. And reversal point, what is the maximum high it will go and what is the maximum low it will go. And VWAP, whenever market is above the VWAP, we know that market is a bullish trend. But when you take the trade, you should take the trade nearby VWAP, so that we will get the best price. So when you see the what is the trading apps and all, when they calculate average trading price, that is the VWAP price. And similarly PDC, why it is used? When you say market has opened 100 points gap down, so based on what scenario it is considered? Based on the previous day close only it is considered. Clear? If you have any doubts about this, you can ask. If possible, I will add some more Camarilla R3 and Camarilla S3 for the breakouts, right? Only in the summary table. Here I could not print because of the Pine script limitations. So that's all. That is what we have in the newly enabled, newly updated indicators, and we have made very simplified. Earlier we had IIT 1, IIT 2, IIT 3, IIT 4 up to 7 we had, and we had given extra targets like target 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and all. But people felt very difficulty. That's why I have removed everything. I have kept only very important things. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. Our representative sales executives are always waiting for you to give the support. So now when you found any R3C pattern bearish or bullish, what you can do, you can reduce the stop loss. You can reduce the stop loss. Very small stop loss you can keep it, so that you will get more profit. So everywhere, whatever time frame you are keeping and whatever tiny to small is, we have given all the options, right? So earlier, if you want, we can enable one more target also here, but here not possible because of the restriction in the script, Pine script coding. So now what I am doing, just I am extending the previous day target. So if you want to print the top midpoint, that also here it is available. Go here and enable top midpoint where it is DTP. So that is why it is happening. And this previous sell zone, see here, previous sell zone, yesterday it is not reached, right? We can call it as virgin zone, like virgin CPR, virgin zone. So now this will act as the good support and resistance. So yesterday what happened? Yesterday market has opened above the zone, above the previous buy, that is second buy. So from second buy to today's first sell, it has reached. Then it has fallen. Clear? So we have many methodologies you can use, but single indicator we are using in a different way. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us in the given number 950000 9154. Hope it is clear. We are happy to help you. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. And one more thing, and if you want to implement robo trading, you can very well be connected with us. Yesterday we have shown you live trading, and you are asking, we have already subscribed to our indicator, why charging for the robo is not our software. we are charging only for this indicator with a lifetime validity. So robo is a third party software, we have to pay them, that's why we are getting charged, we are charging you. If you don't want to do automatic trading, you can do manual trading also. So TradingView offers direct trading from Dani and Paytm Money NSC based applications that you can download and you can use it. If you want the referral code, you can ask us, we will give the referral code also. But if you want to trade using algo that you cannot control your emotionals, then you can very well contact us for the robot trading, which is giving very good profit, option buying strategy only. There will be 4 trades in a day. One is at after 10 o'clock and another one is after 1 o'clock. Okay. And in a robo trading, same indicator is used but different concept. What is the different concept? Something we can feed the machine that it can take it, but we cannot feed everything to the human being. They cannot understand. In this video itself, I have told you many methodology. How many methodologies have you understood, and how many methodologies can you practice practically? So that practical difficulties is there, so that is why we are not revealing all the secrets, right? So any one secret you have to learn, and you have to keep practicing the same secret until you become the professional trader, until you become a professional trader. And one more thing, we have one breadwinner strategy. What is the breadwinner strategy? Options trading, weekly 1 or 2 days you have to trade, weekly 1 or 2 days you have to trade, and you will get sufficient profit for the entire week. And investment is very less, and the risk is very less, and reward is very more. Reward is very higher than the risk, and every day you don't have to watch the screen, monitor. Take the entry and leave it. At the 3 o'clock you have to exit the market, and it will be also done if you are keeping in basket order. So if you practice the single strategy, you don't have to increase your BP level, you don't have to get admitted in hospital when you are continuously sitting on the monitor of the share market. No, when your capital is going down in front of your eyes, right, you are thinking simply that market has to come up because I have taken the call option. You are thinking simply and blindly that market has go down because I have taken the put option, that too where I have taken 1000 points away. I am thinking that market will fall today, but it is not falling. Even if it is falling, my premium price will not get increased. Why? Because I have taken out of the money. Alright. So don't ever go for out of the money trading unless if you are a seller. If you are a seller, what you can do? You can go for a selling at OTM, because 100% it will give you profit. 100% it will give you profit. So such strategies we are teaching in our advanced options trading courses. If those whoever wants to join, they can join. And if you want to take this only single strategy, that also you can join at very nominal fee, and it will change your life. It will change your life, and you don't have to trade every day, right? Based on your capital, you can take the number of lots. Based on your capital, you can take the number of lots. And if you are interested, please contact us. We will help you further. Thank you. Bye bye. Wish you all happy, profitable day ahead.